За hi guys, FC 26 Manchester United-ийн live manager мод үргэлжилж байна. За өнөөдөр бүгдээрээ трансфер хийж болох үгүй гэдээ тодруулнаа. За ямар ч байсан 4 unread message энийг эхлээд үзье. Amas, I just wanted to let you know boss, I really liked it here. I want to stay whenever you're ready, my agent. Martinez, thanks all the first team chances I've been guessing, of course. Harry Maguire, thanks for putting me back in the line, boss. It's one thing missing a game now, but feel like I need regular football. I wonder about my future here. Harry, please. 80 million. 80 million, Harry Maguire. I am proud of you, mate. Martinez. It's okay, Martinez, you'll do well. Yeah, 3 player contract байгаа. 600. За түрүүнээс хойш ирсэн трансфер хийн гэж бодлого яваад байсан. За тэгээд одоо бол хийж үзье. Patrick Dorgu, Mazraoui to Arsenal, Diego Leon. Lucas Shaw transfer list. За би бол тэрийг хийгээгүй. Тэгэхээр тим тохиргоотой л байсан юм байна л да ерөнхийдөө бол. За трансфер яаж хийх вэ гэхээр за дажгүй тоглогчийг олоод за энэ бахан страйкер дээр тохиргоо нь яваад ирсэн юм байна. За бид нар тийм их зав байхгүй учраас шууд нэрээр нь хайн эсвэл энд байгаа тоглогчдоо сонгоно. Defensive дээр бүр нэг ч тоглож гарч ирэх байна. За тэр тохиргоог нь хийгээгүй юм байна угаасаа. За тэгэхээр юу вэ? Энд одоо ингээ бэлэн байгаа тоглогчноос нэгийг сонгоод багтаа эсвэл хичээ. Тэгэхээр Хойланд жишээ найз Сешко гэмтсэн байгаа учраас ямар ч үс нэг страйкер түүний оронд төр тоглож байхаар страйкер шууд сайн хийх гэж үзье. Хэрвээ болохоор бол. За энэ бас дан пейс за ер нь хурдан байсан дээр за Телийг аван ч гэж арай байхгүй бах та. Гэтэ Тэл бол бас дажгүй тоглогч. Волтемейд Raspadori, Hernandez, Duro, Silva, Piatek, Wind, Ivan Nilsson, Madueke, Robbie, Vega, January. Нэг сарын сэлгээ очиж ямар ч байсан хамгийн хэрэгтэй тоглогчол авах хичээе да. That's a short list. За скаута. Тэгэхээр нэг скаута Итали руу явуулнаа. Тэгэхээр Англи, Герман, Испани, Итали, Англи, Герман, Испани, Итали. Португал. Instruction. За энэ position attacker хийсэн байна л да. За тэгэхээр defender position RB not so old. First team quality. За ингээд миний санджаар бол инхээр нэлээд олон төрлийн тоглогчдыг бол угаасаа харж болдог. За юу ч гэсэн RB дээр нэг тоглогчдоор яж авах хичээ. Тэгэхээр энэ удаа бол нэг хоёр тоглогч авсан байгаа нэрээд бол хангалттай баг бидний хувьд бол нэг сард. За тэгээд үргэлжлүүлэх нь бол чухал баха. Окей. За юу бол трансфер угаасаа хийж болох юм байна. Тэгэхээр дахиад нэг товтлогчийг бол юу ч гэсэн сонгоод скаут хийж үзье. За энэ герман залууг скаут хийгээд Стерлинг бол арай бодлаа. Тэл за яг мэдээ скаут гэдэг. Энэ удаа бол өөр лигээс л тоглогч авал дажгүй баха гэж бодож байна. Ugo Duro, Valencia, Jumping, Heading мөрөгдөд тоглож юм байна. За play style-ийг бас хардаг гэдэг байгаа. За тэр нэрийг ерөөсөө тоохгүй яваад байгаа. Тийм болохоор бас үзэх хэрэгтэй. Raspadori бас үзэх хэрэгтэй. Chuco Hernandez, Real Betis, Fabio Silva Португалийн нэг Силва байна л да. За энэ үдийг ингээд скаут хийчих. За тэгээ өнөөдрийн гол тоглолт руугаа одоо орно. Манчестер Сититэй тоглоно. За бидний хувьд бол ийм том тоглолт ер нь бол хийгээг байгаа Ливерпулээс бусдаар. Ливерпул бол бидний хувьд бол хамгийн ихний тоглолт байсан. Хамгийн хэцүү тоглолт байсан. Ugarte, come on. I was disappointed. I am disappointed in you, Ugarte. За бас objective-тэй байгаа юм байна. Finish in UEFA Champions League position. За эхний дөрөвт бол орох хэрэгтэй. Win the cup. FA Cup төрүүлэх ёстой юм байна. Биднээс бол иймэрхүү шаардлагатай хүлээлттэй байгаа гэсэн үг. Reach the semi-final. UEFA Champions League. Тэр хизээч юм. Бид нар ч UEFA Champions League байхгүй шүү дээ Manchester United. За гэхдээ бол ямар ч байсан Champions League-ийн эхний дөрөвт бол одоогийн байдлаар байна. Ингээд шууд City-тэй тоглоно. City-тэй тоглосноос шалтгаалж бид нар хэр удаа энэ эхний дөрөвтөө үлдэх үү? Ер нь цаашдаа яах вэ? Ливерпулийг гүйцэх боломжтой юу гэдгийг одоо City болон United хоёр аль баг одоо шийдэхэд маш ойрхон байна. Ингээд 1 сарын 12-нд Lucas Shaw fresh start. За энэ амьдрал дээр ч гэсэн тэгмэр л одоо Lucas Shaw минь одоо болсон дэлгүүдэд. Гэхдээ ер нь бол дажгүй байгаа шүү. Сүүлийн үед тоглолт үзэж байгаад Lucas Shaw их дажгүй байгаа. Celta Vigo 4 саяар Амасыг авъя гэсэн байна. 18 настай 70-ын overall-тай Амас Celta Vigo-оор зүгээр зарахгүй. Ямар ч гэсэн loan бол байж болохоор байлаа. Гэхдээ шууд бол зарахгүй. Lucas Shaw 14 сая Brighton. За. Дахиад нэг юм ари офис бидний хувьд бол budget 70 сая бол байгаа юм байна тийм үү. Хэн 140 сая. Вау. За энэ live mode-ийг бол ерөнхийдөө бол энэ FC 26-гийн эхний менежер мод болгож ерөнхийдөө 26 ямар шүү болсон юм байна. Менежер мод өөр болж үгүй юу гэдгийг үзэх гэж бол эхлүүлсэн. За илүү дэлгэрэнгүй яг ингээд нэлээд хэдэн жилээр нь тухайн багийг аваад ингээд явах бол менежер мод бол биш гэж би бодож байгаа. Тийм болохоор удахгүй харнаа юу болохыг. Манчестер Сити Хааланд, Доку, Боб, Рейндерс, Бернардо, Бернадики, Родри, Айт, Нури, Гвардиол, Рубен, Луис, Донарума, Фил Фоден, Мармуш, Стоун, Черки, Нико, Матеус, Хосанов. За Доку бол ядарсан, Рубен бас ядарсан юм байна л да. Эдгээр Мармуш бол тоглох байхаа, Стоунс бас тоглох байх. Гэхдээ бол Сити бас өмнөх жилүүдийгээ бодвол бас арай гайгүй сарагддаг болжээ. Сэшко плиз юм аа нэрэ байхгүй шүү. За. Амас Heaven доргу баяндир Угарте майно. За Сити дэсэн бод хэрэгтэй яаж тоглох вэ? За би бол өмнөх 24 25 дээр бол Ситигийн эсрэг бол их олон удаа тоглож исэн. Тийм болохоор Сититэй бол ер нь их хойно сууж тоглох эсгүй тоглох дими байдгаа гэдгийг бол ерөнхийдөө бол бас гадарлаж байгаа. Аль болох хамгийн хөдөлгөөнтэй тоглогчтой бол ашиглагыг хичээнэ. Тэр нь ч барыг зөв болох бах. За Каси, Фернандес, Маунт. Маунтыг ямар ч үс нэгдүгээр үедээ шууд энэгээр нь шууд гаргая. За Угартыг бол хоёрдугаар үедээ бол гаргана. Зиркцээ явандаа бол сэлгээр орж ин Зиркцээ сэлгэнээс хамаагүй илүү юм шиг угаасаа санагдаад байдаг. Цаанаас л ерөнхийдөө бол тэгж ашиглаад барыг сурсан байна. Heaven байгаа. Тэгтэл Lucas Shaw бол төв тоглож болох юм байна гэдгийг түрүүчийн тоглолтууд дээр бол ойлгож авсан. Тийм болохоор яг энэ удаагийн тоглолтын дээр бол заавал Heaven-ыг ашиглана гэж бол ерөөсөө бодохгүй байна. За Патрик Доргу бол сэлгээр ерөнхийдөө бол орхон тодорхой. За тэгээд Дало Амас за ингээ хамгаалтнаар бол хангалттай сэлгээ бол байна. За хагас хамгаалтнаар ингээд бас дутуу байгаа гэдэг нь бол ингээ харагдаж байна ялтж юу. Делихт Мартинез Йоро 3-аар тоглоно. За өнөөдрийнхээ анхны тоглолт руу орцгоё. Manchester City.
A manager who has constructed a fortress here at home, but today a real challenge. Can they defend
Home
their
fortress.
run, or will this be the end?
Welcome to Old Trafford.
Welcome to Manchester.
Oh my God.
A cracking derby in prospect, and everyone on tenterhooks here
There
at
we
Old
go.
Trafford. It is United versus City. Derek Ray in the commentary position, joined as always by Stuart Robson. And Stuart, this should be thoroughly appetising.
Well, Derek, what more could you ask for? A noisy stadium, two very good teams and a massive rivalry. This should be an absolute classic.
What am I doing? What am I doing?
Mateus Cunha.
За стадионы атмосферыг илүү чанга болгодог гэсэн тохиргоо бол хийцэн хэвээрээ байгаа. Өөрийнхөө талбай дээр ашиглана гэдэг байгаа энэ тохиргоог.
Well, news coming through of a penalty in one of the other matches, and Alex
Oh.
can fill us in.
Yeah, it was Brentford that were awarded the penalty.
Oh, Mateus Cunha, блядь. No.
Rodri. Well, it's always a great thrill to watch
Yani
every
Yoro,
corner
Amat.
match, and he can be absolutely unstoppable, and we should expect that he'll have a prominent role to play in this one, Stuart.
Well, he's been in fine form in the league. As you can
Yoshka
see,
Gvardiol,
it's gonna be a real
Barcola,
backline to keep him quiet.
Bernardicchi.
If they switch off even for a minute, they'll be punished.
За Сити ч бас эвгүй л өмсгөлтэй болсон байна да энэ жил. Ситигийн хизээ чи нэг өмсгөлөө өчиг олохгүй хаа баг. Ай.
It looked promising.
Well, they certainly got
Нөгөө аимс бол бас левгүй шүү.
absolutely right there.
Rodri.
Bruno Kazi.
Mateus
Vai Mateus Cunha. Gigi Donnarumma. Pepe. Pepe Guardiola.
And over it comes.
Come on, Bruno. Ahmad.
Oh, a touch too heavy there. Vardiol.
Fuck off, Guardiola.
Vimo.
Mbuemo. Ooh. Mbuemo. Come on. Come on, United. Trafford End is buzzing.
Playing it in.
Bruno Fernandes de Ligt. No. No, de Ligt. Joseph. Wow.
Ake. News coming through from the Chelsea game. A goal has gone in, I believe. Alex Scott will tell us all about it.
Yes, it's a goal for Chelsea. It's now 1-0.
No.
Played. What a game we have here, Derek.
Alex, thank you very much.
Haaland free kick. After all that, Bernardicchi.
Wide of the post, not a bad effort at all.
Ja, jongens, goed het, ja. What is this? Come on. City, please, jongens, goed het. Jesus, every year.
Lisandro Martinez. Nusayr Mazraoui.
Mbuemo, no.
Stopping up the danger.
조금 나오려 했습니다. Come on, lads.
Hearing someone has scored in the Nottingham Forest game.
Come on, lads. Go, Bruno.
It's a goal for Arsenal. It's now 1-0 with 24 minutes played.
Many thanks, Alex.
City 올스도 жижигхэн юм дээр лиггүй явцдаг багтаа. За.
Now with Silva.
Yora, please. Эргүүлж болохгүй шүү надаа. Тэгж болохгүй юм да. Тэгж болохгүй шүү дээ.
Incredible save, and he snuffed out
Lamens.
any sign of danger.
We've got Lamens.
Mateus Cunha. Mbeumo. Mazraoui here.
Wow, Mazraoui send back.
Promising.
Mazraoui. No, урагшаасан шүү дээ.
Mateus Cunha.
Bruno! Oh, God. Madre mia.
Foden. On to Haaland. Now with Reinders.
United!
Silva.
United!
The ball with Rodri. City move it forward with purpose.
United! Kill him, fucking.
To beat him. And the cross into the middle.
Yes!
More trouble.
Where's your fucking Ballon d'Or?
Can they forge ahead?
No! Lamens!
Save.
Lamens!
Flag has gone up and it grinds to a halt.
That's offside. Clear offside. 100%. It's all offside. I've never seen more offside than this. United.
Mateus Cunha. Clever defending.
Beautiful. Mount, please.
Fine cross into the middle.
Vamos! Oh my god, GG Donnarumma. GG Donnarumma. GG Donnarumma.
Well, you can hear it, can't you? These United fans think the goal's coming soon, and they deserve one as well.
Handball.
Clearance over the byline means a corner.
Come on. Баазыг өнөөдөр өстой амар тоглолт болж байна да Мадрани. Vamos Bruno, vamos.
Over it comes.
Oh my god.
The keeper's done really well to hold on to it. And City being afforded
What is
two
Mount doing here? No, no. No, 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 no.
This could be useful.
Oh my god.
Pretty straightforward for the keeper, you've got to say. We are going to have 2 additional minutes. Mateus Cunha.
Cunha. No.
And he stopped them in their tracks.
Cunha,
Finding a
please.
chance to break. Haaland. Oh, that's a clever ball. Opportunity here. That's
Beautiful.
perfect.
Oh.
And offside. I rather
Offside.
think he was caught in 2 minds.
Well, he just needed to go elsewhere with his pass. He showed a complete lack of awareness there.
So that is it for the first half. Even Steven at the
Okay,
break.
first half.
Stuart, your thoughts on
Let's
City's
go.
performance so far?
Yeah, we've been lauding their attacking play, but today they've just been below their normal standards. They've lacked that little bit of sharpness, but credit to their opponents, they've defended
Horrible
all over the
jersey.
pitch.
Never seen in football before. My god. The shoot. Mount. And then Zirkzee. Okay. We got this.
So back underway, and surely there's more to come in this game. Reinders.
Oh.
Silva. On to Haaland. And possession
Kazi,
taken
get
out.
out of here, Ireland.
Yeah, just snubbed out the danger there. That's a good turnover.
Fernandes. Now Casemiro. Mateus Cunha. And line that final pass, you just feel.
My god.
Reinders. And a clever
Martinez, no, Martinez.
Good news for Marseille, a new addition, and you would think, Stuart.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. No way! Oh my
Sheet
god.
remains blank.
Nearly, nearly.
Finish, really.
Thank God. Come on, focus lads, focus. Focus.
Bruno Fernandes.
Bruno жоо урагшиндаа хэрэгтэй байна. No, Ahmad, what are you doing, man?
Now a potentially dangerous
Foden.
position for City.
Best Premier League player. Yes. Best Premier League player. No. No.
Big moment here.
No.
Get themselves ahead.
Ref, no. Whoa. Oh my god. Of course.
This to make it 1-0. And in it goes! The first statement in this derby. And that could turn out to be crucial in the overall story. We shall see. But they are in front.
Well, as you can see, the keeper dives one way and the ball goes down the middle. It's a very good penalty.
Fuck, Haaland goes central. мод Xerxes. Bruno, I need you. Bruno, please. Bruno, please. За Мартинес still for a bit. Ahmad Mazraoui off.
Action underway once more.
Xerxes,
See if United
Diego
have the
Dalot.
wherewithal to square the game. Well, this is certainly
Okay,
the
no more
football
bullshit, no more bullshit.
TV, and looking forward to bringing you more action from the Premier League. It's
No
Manchester
fucking
United
round.
facing
It's
Arsenal.
City,
Really
lads.
looking forward to that. Two entertaining teams in what should be a really feisty affair.
Casemiro. Bruno Fernandes.
Mbeumo. Bruno.
Mbeumo. Could be threatening.
Bruno no. Hey, ref! Same thing! Same thing, ref!
Well, you can tell
Come
what the
on.
fans think of that decision. They're certain it should have been a penalty.
Foden.
Disgusting, ref. Disgusting.
But I understand there's been a goal in the Chelsea match. Let's hear about that goal from Alex.
It's a second goal for Brentford. It was a free
I'm
kick
fuming.
that
You
led
just
to a
push
goal,
the
and
ref.
goalkeeper
What
had
are you
no
doing,
chance
man?
with
Come
that.
on.
They're now behind
Where's
1-0
your standards?
65 minutes play. What a game we have here, Derek.
Alex, thank you very much.
Ah, come on, Bruno. We need you, Bruno. Whew.
Bernardo Silva. Mbeumo. Oh yes, what a pass.
Bruno.
Fine tackle
Madre
there to
mia.
prevent the chance.
Fuck him up.
20 minutes remaining.
Stay with him, Delic. Stay with him. Stay with Haaland.
Vardiol. On to Silva. Silva.
Ah, fucking Pep, Paul.
That's a good looking ball. And a good challenge
Well
to
done,
bring that
Dalot.
attack to an end. Well, big news I'm
Go
hearing.
on, Bruno.
The penalty has been awarded
Go on,
like
Bruno.
in other games. Alex
Go,
Scott
Bruno.
with the details.
Go, Bruno. Mbeumo. Yeah, no.
Well, so close, and it goes down as a chance.
No, Mbeumo.
Yeah, really good chance to get back into this, I have to say. They just didn't take.
Ah, God, Mbeumo. Куня ерөөсөө харагдсангүй дээ.
Ake. Here's Kovacic.
Кова орж ирсэн юм
Here's
байна.
Nunes.
Мармуш.
Nunes. The ball with Rodri.
I know, блядь. Fuck. Reindeer.
Well, really rifling that one in, and he didn't miss by much.
Well, this game is far from over. They'll probably get one more big chance before the end. The crowd certainly think so. Just listen to that noise.
Kovacic seducing with his passing. Can they set up a chance?
Good job, Ugarte. Mbuemo. Zirkzee, Joshua. Mbuemo, there you go, Mbuemo. Mbuemo. Yes. Get in. Get in.
Let's look at this again, because the transition when the ball changes hands is so quick. And then through on goal, it just goes
Get in,
and
Mbuemo.
smashes it past the keeper.
Come on.
No stopping that. What a great
Come on, United.
Back underway, level pegging, 1 goal apiece in this game. Ake. The ball with Rodri. 5 minutes left. Gvardiol.
Well done, Zirkzee.
Manchester United on the front foot in the closing moments. Can they find a winner?
Corner. Come on! Come on, United! Come on!
Short corner. And possibilities here. And here's Cunha. Could be dangerous.
No!
By Manchester
Ugarte,
United.
no! Come on!
Oh, could be an opportunity here. Fernandes.
Oh! God damn it, no! Ah.
Whistle, the referee decides that will be
Oh my God, Mateus Cunha.
separated. A point apiece. Manchester United's performance. What did you make of it?
I think you have to say it's a point game, don't you? Far from the easiest game, but they kept fighting until the very end, believing that they would get another chance, and it's probably the fair result in the end.
One. Bullshit penalty. But we'll take it. And we've got Arsenal now. Zaket. Show the Arsenal to the Harry Maguire. Approach. No action. Because we're not selling Harry fucking Maguire. Oh my God. Seshko. Seshko's back. That shirt belongs to you, son. За трансфер шалгацгаая. Scout report. За энэ эртний их сtööс юм байна угаасаа тэгээд хугацаанд барыг багтаж бол хизээч репорт бол буцаж ирэхгүй. За тийм учраас энэ удаа бол нэг ч хүн зарахгүй, нэг ч хүн авахгүй. Harry Maguire. What is going on? No. Би уудаагүй штэ, my God. Harry. Harry, please. Harry, I'm sorry. No, he's here. What's going on? Oh my God. За гэрийн дуусгаар явахаар болсон юм байна л да. Тэгээ энэ удаад бол ингээд бүх хэмээн бол хийсэнгүй яг энэ контрактын хийсэнгүй, трансфер хийсэнгүй. Бидний хувьд бол гол юм бол ерөөсөө зүгээр геймплей үзэх, харин шинэ FC-тэй танилцах юм зөвлөгтэй байлаа. За энэ бол үнэхээр хүнд эпизод бол болохоор болж байна доо. Арсенал бол мэдчлээ байлгүй найзууд үгүйсээ бүгдээрээ байна. За City-гээс ойлгосон тоглолтоороо бол тоглоё доо. Энэ удаа хэнийг бол оруулж болохоор болсон. Benjamin Sesko бол иргэн ирж байгаа. Harry Maguire, Mount. За энэ юутай бол нэг азаа үзэхгүй тоглоно юм. Амад болж байна, Mbeumo-с болж байна. Seshko I'm fit гэсэн байхгүй л шүү дээ. What are you talking about Seshko? Даргу Баянди, Robbie, Mount not fully recovered юм байна л да. London руу явцгаая. Arsenal North London forever.
We've come a long way from the days when pizza used to fly around this fixture, but still highly compelling. Arsenal against Manchester United, a lot to look forward to. And a warm welcome. Our venue for this game is the Emirates Stadium in North London. I'm Derek Ray, your match commentator, and alongside providing all the tactical analysis is Stuart Robson.
Declan fucking Rice, what are you doing, man? He's gone. He's dead. Look at him.
Versus Manchester United.
Well, the atmosphere is building nicely here, and we've got two teams who like to play good football. Let's hope we get a good game here. It should be.
Beautiful. No.
That will help the cause. Saka. Now with Gyökeres. And this is the Arsenal starting 11. Kai Havertz starts alongside Declan Rice in central midfield. And they line up with just the one striker looking to do a bit of damage.
Mbeumo, no! Ref! Fuck. Fuck.
William Saliba. And a change
God
to
damn
the
it.
scoreline at Goodison Park. With the information, here's Alex Scott.
It's a 12 for Everton. It's now
Oh, Kazi.
2 minutes played. What a game of football we have on our hands here today, Derek.
Thanks as always, Alex.
Well done, Arsenal.
United will get the throw in.
We'll take that. Brazil Cunha.
Manchester United script in the last game.
Bruno.
Against Manchester City. How might this
Cunha.
one go, Stuart?
Yeah, they certainly had
Bruno.
to be against a very good side, but I thought they did okay.
Mbeumo,
In
no.
another close game. I just can't separate these two teams.
Well, you never quite
Calafiori.
dominate a game in advance, but I think you can maybe make an
Wow,
argument
beautiful.
for this fellow, Stuart. What do you think we'll see from him today?
Oh no.
Certainly weighed in with his fair share of goals.
Mbeumo.
Oh, Stuart,
Mbeumo.
oh, a powerful
Madre
effort,
mía.
close.
Ruben Amorim. Vamos. Calafiori.
Havertz.
Havertz. Calafiori.
On to Gyökeres.
Gyökeres. No, no, no. Yeah. Lames. Lames once again.
Trying to deliver it accurately.
Well done, beautiful. Come on, Diego. Come on, Diego. Beautiful Diego. Beautiful. Mbeumo. Yes. Get in.
That will do nicely.
Get in. Mbeumo. Oh my God, what are you doing, Mbeumo? Diego Dalot, what a pass.
All starts with a perfect
Hammered them, Jules Diego
behind the
Dalot.
defenders. And his movement's so clever. Once he gets onto it, there's only one thought in his head. Smash it as hard as possible.
Smash.
What a good goal.
Today,
Arsenal restart
Today we
the game,
smash.
and they have work to do as they try to wipe out that last goal. Well, goal news to bring you from the Everton game. Alex Scott has
it's
the
okay, brother.
It's a goal for Leeds
Today,
United.
today we smash.
They're now 1-1 with 20 minutes played.
Thank you, Alex. Trossard. Oh, great defending.
Another high ball. Ah, yeah.
Decent idea.
Diego Dalot. Ruben Amorim хамаатан
Bruno Fernandes.
манай Казн бол амар тоглож байна.
And a
Amorim
chance to
Казн.
win it here.
Bruno, it's you, Bruno. Oh my God, Bruno.
Possibilities. Now they can reset the defence.
Yeah, good decision. Just get it away.
Just get it away.
Yuri and Timber. Rice with it. Saka. Excellent run in possession. Kai Havertz. How did they let that attack come to an end?
Yes, we did it.
And just receiving news of a goal at the Etihad. Alex Scott, what can you tell us?
It's a goal for Manchester City.
Good job,
They
Mbeumo.
scored the opener with
Ahmad.
29 minutes played.
Alex, thank you very much.
Ahmad, Mbeumo. Mbeumo.
Staring him in
No,
the face,
Mbeumo.
but he couldn't take advantage of the chance.
Well, that would have extended their lead.
Хоншорцсон. За, альч гадуур хоншорцсон байна Mbeumo. Diego Dalot, madre mía.
Good reading of the game.
Gyökeres. Timber. And here's Saliba. Yuri and Timber. Mikel Merino. Now with Saka. Trying to connect. Trying to tee it up. On to Saka. And striking it.
Lamens.
Oh, the goalkeeper did well to hang on to that one.
Well, those stats sum it up perfectly. Arsenal
No,
haven't
Ahmad,
got too
what
much of a
happened,
threat.
lad?
Unless they can play with a bit more purpose, they're going to struggle here.
Well, now on the ball, can they add a bit of danger to the mix? Just trying to keep their opponents on their toes with the passing game.
Diego Dalot, monster
That's all
today.
for a bit.
Un monstro.
De Ligt. Through the middle.
Oh,
He read the situation defensively and did his job. Trossard. Rice with it. Havertz. It's with Mikel Merino.
Merino.
Could be productive.
Merino.
Too easy.
Too easy.
Well, an attempt
Merino,
to
too
forget
easy,
all
lad.
about, unfortunately.
Yeah, got it all wrong. Trying to pass it into the corner, opened up his body, but didn't make the right sort of contact.
Арсеналынхан бол ер нь лиг төрүүлчихнэ гэж бодож байгаа шиг байна да. Start first, finish second. There's.
Not a huge chunk of
Wow.
added time. 1 minute. So half time.
Okay,
We'll
okay.
close the book on the first half here at the Emirates.
Job's not done.
And he hasn't really been able to hit the heights in this game so far, has he, Bukayo Saka?
Yeah, you're right. He needs to impose himself on this game.
They think he's always the
Done
best.
enough to get away.
That's what I think. За дэж шүү Кайси жоо удаан байна. Арай шигүү бас хамгаалах хэрэгтэй юм шиг байна. Сэлгээ бол байна. Тийм болохоор хоёрдугаар үедээ шууд Кайсигараа угаасаа эхлэе. За тэгээд эндээс харах хэрэгтэй баха.
And the ball moving again, advantage.
За Сешко буцаж ирэх юм бол бидний хувьд бол бас тоглолт тактик бүх юмд өөрчлөлт орох болно.
Diogo Dalot.
Энэ үчиг бол их удаан хүлээж байна да. Сешко буцаж ирэхийг.
Too much space.
Эмбэмо! Oh my god. Oh my god.
And a substitution in the offing.
Havertz. Back to Germany.
Urian Timber
Юра Тимбер.
successfully cut out.
Бруно. Ай, Бруноге. Хэм мерда Бруно.
Victor Gyökeres. Ossar.
Well done, Kazi.
Challenge
Beautiful,
brings that
Kazi.
to an end.
Bruno.
Well, we wondered if this deal was going to be done. In fact, it has now been done, Stuart.
Бруно бол ерөөсөө our best and worst player гэж байгаа шүү дээ.
To fulfill that potential. He might just have to be patient though.
Хэрэгтэй sometimes is the best.
Tries to shoot. Straight up.
Хамгийн шилдэг, sometimes is absolutely worst.
It wasn't superb distribution by the keeper, that we can say.
At least it's far enough away from the goal not to cause too many problems.
I know, don't play their game. Don't play their game.
But no end product.
Айлын тоглолтыг хийжлэхгүй шүү дээ. Айлын тоглолтыг
Don't forget we
хийжлэхгүй.
have more Premier League
Cunha,
action
beautiful.
coming up for you on EA TV. It's Manchester United facing Fulham.
You beauty.
That two entertaining teams in one.
You beauty. Mateus Cunha. Wow. За маунтыг оруулъя да. Хэрнээ Бэмо бол ерөөсө форвард дээр л бас асуудалгүй байна. Тэгвэл Бэмог бол энэ жилийн бол best signing юм болов уу гэж бодож байгаа маа. Шилдэг signing болж байна. FC дээр бол Бэмодод бол чадвар байна. Нотлингийн United-ийг бол би мэднэ FC дээр байна тоглодог байсан. Тэрэн дээр бол ерөөсө асар том ялгаа гарч байна.
Who can they pick out?
Mateus De Ligt, Bruno.
A change to the scoreline at the Etihad, I believe. Alex Scott.
It's a second goal for Manchester City. They're pulled ahead by 2 with 60 minutes played.
Alex, thank you very much. Now opening things up.
Oh, Bemo.
There was impending danger, but good defending.
Well, they certainly got their defensive shape absolutely right there.
Mikel Merino. Who can he play it to? Timber. Good patience.
Patience, lad, patience. Keep your heads cool.
Victor Gyökeres. Rice with it. Gabriel Martinelli. Intercepting it intelligently.
Well done.
Mbeumo. Well, passing moves like this will keep confidence levels up. Can he put it in?
Ooh, Bruno Fernandes. Bruno Fernandes. Wow. Amate Moemo, Harry Maguire. Dorgu. Cunha did well, but try something new.
Here's a change for Manchester United. Played over. The keeper made that look
One of these
easy.
days.
In truth, it wasn't. There's 20 minutes remaining now. Well, they're in control, and the manager knows how important this game is.
Yeah, the fans are loving this, and so is he.
And the ball in behind the defenders.
Lamans.
Stop, and more importantly, away from danger.
Well, beautiful job, Lamans. Bruno Visaka. Bruno Visaka.
Oh, good run, this. Now, what can he do
No,
with it?
Bruno.
And credit is due for that good piece of defending. Saka. Subimendi. Pass chiselled nicely. Passing it around as the search goes on for an equaliser. Saka. That's a good-looking pass. Martinelli. It's with Mikel Merino. Declan Rice.
Fucking hell, haram ball bile. No, God.
Nicely timed.
Haram guys, yo. No, bir şey işte.
Well, just listen to this crowd. They want a bit more. They know there's still plenty of time to find an equaliser. Surely they get another chance, maybe two.
Well read to put an end to that attack. Brilliant pass.
Mbuemo, another one. Oof. Oof. Madre mía. За Фернандесийн талтай үлдээ да. Тэгтээ Маунт юу гэж байна.
Keeper wanted to take it cleanly and did. Mikel Merino. Arsenal have given us away. And a goal update to bring you in the Palace game.
No, Ahmad.
Join Alex Scott.
What are you doing?
Goal for Chelsea. They're ahead by 2 now with 85 minutes played.
Thanks for the update, Alex. Declan Rice. Real chance. Decent pass. And draws it.
Bullshit pass. Oh my God.
Goalkeeping
We
away.
survive.
This could square the game.
No.
And it has. There's excitement. And no wonder they're jumping for joy as we speak.
No. Nah.
Well, here we can see it again. And no wonder
Fucking hell. Юу гэж clearance вэ?
they get tight in here.
Oh my God.
Otherwise, that's the outcome. Not good enough defensively.
So back underway. They've levelled it at 1-1 here. Mazraoui. It's with Martinez. So 2 minutes to be added on at the end. Manchester United venture forward. Do they have a winning goal in their future?
No,
Nothing comes of it.
no. Mbemo. Fucking hell.
The whistle, the referee decides
Fucking
that
hell.
will be all, and the teams simply couldn't be
Nah.
separated. A point apiece. Manchester United's performance. What did you make
Two
of it?
draw.
Well, Derek, it will feel like a defeat in that dressing room. They had the game won and were in control, but they just couldn't see it out. That's a real blow to them.
Well, Stuart, he really has had
Feels
a lot
like
to
a
say for
defeat,
himself
yes.
out on the pitch.
Well, it was a good comeback. He played a big part in that. He just kept plugging away, and in the end, he got his reward with the
За хоёр дахь дэнцтэй дээрс. God damn. Ойрхон байлаа гэхдээ.
We just wanted to ask you a couple of questions.
Dalot didn't manage to win the reception positions that were the match went wrong for you. Diego Dalot is my sibling. Хамаатны бол өмөрлөлдөө Diego is okay. Mbemo бол юу сайн шүү дээ. City эсрэг, Arsenal эсрэг. No stopping Mbemo for sure.
Thank you for your time.
Mbemo бол баг страйкераар явмаар юм байна да. Сайс жоохон асуудалтай үзчихлээ. Not going to Netherlands. Not going to Netherlands. За Fulham home. Сүүлийн жилүүдэд Fulham бол ерөөсөө Manchester United-ийн бол их том өрсөлдөгч болчиход байгаа. Бид нарыг бас хэцүүдсэн үед ингээд Fulham-тай хүртэл ингээд сөргөлдөг болчиход байгаа. Өмнө нь бол Fulham гэж мэдчихгүй л байлаа. Raul, Jimenez, Smith Rowe, Iwobi, Chukwueze, Lukic, Berg, Robinson, Quensa, Anderson, Tete, Leno, Go Mongolia баг л да. Ерөөсөө монголчууд өртөөгээд байгаа шүү дээ ерөөсөө. We're going to English prison. Mazraoui, Ahmad. За энэ байрал ерөнхийдөө том болоод байгаа учраас шууд энэгээрээ Fulham-тай үзээд тэгээд юу хийж болох вэ гэдгээ бол бодцооё. За Seshko иргэн ирж байгаа юм байна. Seshko иргэн ирлээ. Ингээд Seshko давтамарлна уу? Энэ мөчийг ямар их хүлээвэ? Benjamin Seshko. Welcome to Old Trafford once again.
It's easy to see how, as a manager, he matches the DNA of the club. Everyone pulling in the same direction, and the fans can feel the synergy. And here we are at one of the great venues for football anywhere in the world, Old Trafford in Manchester. I'm Derek Ray, and keeping me
Manchester.
on the commentary gantry is Stuart Robson, and we've got Premier League action coming right up. It's Manchester United.
Mount.
They take on Fulham.
Well, this should be a decent game today. Both managers will have a game plan. Both teams have a certain style of play, and both sides will want to start quickly. I'm looking forward to this.
Bruno Fernandes.
The lineup for Manchester United.
Ahmad.
Bruno Fernandes plays with Casemiro in the centre of the pitch.
Mbemo.
And the story in attack is one of a strike partnership.
Ahmad.
Right, let's join Alex Scott because I
No.
understand there's been a goal in the Spurs game, Alex.
Smith
Goal
Rowe.
for Spurs. It's now 1-0 with only 4 minutes played.
Many thanks, Alex.
Robinson.
Corner will ensue.
Go on, Euro. Marco Silva, ladies and gentlemen. Fulham. Basically Arsenal
Here
B.
it comes.
Ahmad.
Bruno Fernandes.
Fernandes.
For Manchester United, last time out, a draw against Arsenal. How do you think this one will go, Stuart?
Yeah, there wasn't too much between them in that 1-1 draw. Today, though, if they play with a bit
Oh,
more
no.
confidence at the start, I think they'll win this one.
Bruno Fernandes, so very talented and capable of
Oh my
running the
God.
show. Interested to know what you think we might see from him today.
Well, when he gets half a chance, he strikes the ball so powerfully, and that makes him such a threat today. I fully expect him to score here.
Mateus Cunha. Berge. Well, he keeps going.
Chukwueze,
Only defending when it mattered.
Muser Mazraoui, Casemiro, Mbeumo, Bruno Fernandes. Bruno. Яг тайлбарлыг чи их чигш Бруно алдчих юм аа.
Kenny Tete. On to
Tete.
Anderson.
Anderson.
Tete. Emile Smith-Rowe. On the ball, Chukwueze. And using the flank. In a dangerous position.
Come on lads, wake up!
Sasha Lukic.
Wake up, Sasha!
Now with Jimenez.
Oh,
Just knocked it out of there.
Yeah, that's
Bruno, one touch, beautiful. Mbeumo. Ahmad. Wow.
Mateus
Wow. Beautiful. Mbeumo. Oh my god.
goalkeeping there.
Let's go guys, let's go. We got this.
Sasha Lukic.
Sashko.
And covering tremendous ground here.
Raul Jimenez.
Now relying very much on their passing game in a bid to take the lead. Well, honestly, I didn't mean to jinx them. Just wasn't a very good pass finally.
Why Old Trafford? Come on, Fulham. What is going on?
But
Yes.
the danger averted for now.
What are you doing, Ahmad? Please, my boy.
It's a neat move.
Sasha Lukic.
A really single-minded piece of defending to make sure nothing untoward
Mason
happened.
Mount. Mazraoui.
And a goal has gone
Muser
down.
El Mazraoui.
So with all the information, here's Alex
Bruno
Scott.
Fernandes.
Goal for Chelsea. It's now
Bruno. Mbeumo, move your ass. Come on.
Sasha Lukic.
За өнөөдөр юунд хожлох үнэхээр үсгэлэн байна. Хангар байна. Хоёр бас тийм
Robinson.
азгүй л тэнцсэн боллоо. Тэнцлээ. Энэ удаа бол ерөөсөө
Looking sequence, but it comes
хоёр
to
том
an
багтаа тоглоод хоёулантай тэнцчлээ. Эхнийх нь бол ерөөсөө ямарч
end. Mount.
асуудалгүй пенальти биш байсан. За хоёр дахь энэ жоохон анхаарал алдсан байх л та.
De Ligt.
Харамсалтайгаар
Here's Mount.
гол алдаад сая Арсеналтай тэнцлээ. Mazraoui, Bruno.
Good work
Bruno.
to win the ball back by United. Mount. Decent looking ball.
There's Cunha. Yes, of course.
Well, just look how he holds off the defender.
Mount, beautiful.
And he still hits the target. What a good goal that is.
Trafford end is buzzing. Mateus Cunha.
So underway again here. 1-0 the score.
Өнөөдөр Cunha-гийн тоглолт байж магадгүй.
It will be now.
Mbeumo-гоо амраах хэрэгтэй байж магадгүй. Тийм
Joaquin
болохоор
Cuenca.
Амад гайгүй ядралт баг байвал үлдээгээд Сэшког бол 2 дугаар үедээ бол тоглуулнаа.
Could be dangerous.
Тэн тоглолтод оруулж исэн дээр байх.
Chukwueze.
Яа, Мартинес.
Amid impending danger.
Мартинес.
De Ligt. Mazraoui here. And too long, too
What?
strong. Right pass.
Сая Мартинес ерөөсөө.
Tete.
За нэгдүгээр үе сайн төгсөх хэрэгтэй ажилласан. Focus, focus.
The electronic
Iyi
board
döksün.
showing 1 additional minute. Smith Rowe.
Focus, focus. Энэ чүггүй зайвалтай.
This looks interesting.
Ahmad.
This could be the
Ahmad.
equaliser.
Шереф. Бу Шереф.
And look at this.
Йоо.
And so the first half story
Ийм
has
дэгсгэл
been
яалчгүй
written. Half-time, here
хэцүү
it goes.
дуусах юм аа нэрэ. Йоо.
Well, he's been the standout for his side so far, don't you think, Stuart?
He took his goal well and was a constant threat throughout that first half.
Well done Punya. Бэм асуудалгүй байна уу? Тэгвэл Амадыг барыг суулгах л хэрэгтэй юм байна. За ер нь зүүн жигүүртэй байх ёстой гэдэг утгаар нь Эмбомыг үлдээгээд Сэшкогоос шууд оруулнаа. За Масрави бас тийм ч сайн байх биш байна гэнд бол. За ингээд шууд сэлгээ хийгээд явъя. Дараа-дараагийн тоглолтын дээр ойлгож авсан байх хэрэгтэй. Welcome back Сэшко.
Tete. Berger with it.
Эднийд бас нэг Саша байгаа. Манайд Сашко байна. Gonna be better.
The ball with Lukic. Jimenez.
Matthäus de Ligt.
Diogo Dalot on the ball.
Яаж Бруно өвч басаа.
Counter-attacking possibilities. A good-looking ball. Well, it looks so promising, but it all comes to nothing. Let's go over to Alex Scott now for news of a goal in the Leeds game. Alex.
It's a goal.
Ah.
The goalkeeper has spilled it back into the danger area.
Alex, apologies, I have to jump in because this could
Йоо
be
Ламенс.
on a solid piece of
Of course.
goalkeeping.
Solid доо Ламенс.
Well, we had to interrupt Alex in full flow there. Apologies.
Shut up
Just
Alex.
to confirm, Arsenal did find an
Oh.
edge on that match, and their lead as things stand is 2-0. Iwobi. Well, many have wondered if they would get it over the line in terms of the deal. They've succeeded, Stuart.
Well, certainly a lot of focus on the play over the last year or two, and he seems to have a bright future ahead of him. Hopefully it turns out to be a good move, and he can continue to
It's an
develop his
opportunity.
career.
Goalkeeper
Lamens.
right
Thank
over
God.
the try.
Well, it's a
Thank God Lamens. So something is happening guys. Mount.
stop from that distance. He's reacted so quickly.
And United will switch things around personnel-wise. Oh, look, rushed there.
Mbeumo, what happened?
Might lead to a chance. Eyeing an opening.
Wake up lads, wake up.
And so 30 minutes left for play in this one. And he read it well defensively. Oh, big ball.
Oh my God, Martinez, what have we done? Oh my God.
Superb entertainment.
Chukwueze, of course.
Well, here's the goal again, and what a wonderfully weighted pass this is. And he makes no mistake with the finish. He showed a lot of composure there.
So a level
Horrible.
contest. 1-1. Fernandes.
Ref!
And the referee blows the whistle. It is a free kick. And a yellow card. It's
Get
going to
out.
be Stuart.
Yeah, the
Get
referee
out of
is
here.
right. It's a yellow card all day long.
All day long.
De Ligt.
Seshko.
Bruno Fernandes.
Bruno Mbeumo. Seshko!
Quick thinking
No.
defensively.
Come on lads. Тоглолтыг гартаа авцгаая, come on. Өөрсдөө тоглолтоо тогломоор байна.
Premier League action coming up for you on EA TV. It's Manchester United facing Tottenham Hotspur. This is an excellent run.
Oh my god, шал иргүүлээ.
Smith Rowe.
Smith Rowe.
And news of a goal at the Tottenham Hotspur Stadium. Alex, tell us all about it.
It's a goal from Manchester City. It's all even Stevens at 1-1 with 69 minutes played.
Thanks as always to Alex Scott.
Lamans. And Cunha.
We have 20 minutes left in this game. And news of a goal at the Tottenham Hotspur Stadium. Alex Scott.
Yeah, it's a goal for Spurs. It was a
Get in, Spurs. Well done. City's losing.
Close range to finish that move off. They've pulled one back and now trail by one with 72 minutes played. What a fascinating matchup we have here today, Derek.
Oh, wait a minute. Could be...
Seshko! Yes! Get in, Seshko! Welcome back! Vamos! Yes! Benjamin Seshko!
Well, here it is again. He goes past his marker so easily with just a drop of the shoulder. And when he gets onto it, he decides
Beautiful.
to go for power.
Beautiful.
It's a really emphatic finish.
Van Persie-esque.
No chance.
Van Persie-esque.
So underway again, and the question is, can they now put this to bed? Tete. Smith Rowe. It will be now. Oh, superb skill.
Oof.
Oh, couldn't pull them level.
Well, they certainly should be level. That was a great opportunity to score.
I'm sorry, Harry. I tried, Harry. I tried. Yeah, next time, mate.
Well, don't forget we have the decisive second leg of the
Seshko.
Carabao Cup semi-final coming up for you live on EA TV. It's Fulham taking on Chelsea.
Well, it's all to play for in the second leg.
No,
What a
don't
country
show us
it will
the
be,
blade.
so much riding on it. A place in the final.
United might be able to cash in.
Wow, Seshko, what a pass! Wow.
They keep that out. Well, they've decided to make a change.
Wow. Çok güzel.
They take it short. A good idea. Coming off the supply. with Lukic. Well, with 5 minutes remaining and just one goal between them, still the prospect of late excitement in this match.
Cunha, beautiful. Cunha, very beautiful. Ugarte, Fernandes. Bruno. No, Ugarte, ma che
Comes of it. Good defending it
cazzo
was.
fai Ugarte?
Effective piece of pressing. Robinson. Jorge Cuenca. He will be now. Bergen.
Ha. Juve shanti vadına goddamn. Come on lads, come on lads.
We will have 3
Yes,
extra minutes.
Manu. Beautiful. Seshko.
Time it is, but he needed sharp eyes to make that decision.
Well, it's fine margins, isn't it? But in the end, he just went too early.
Not offside. Absolutely not an offside.
Pepe. Chukwueze. Sasha Lukic. Benjamin Šeško. Might be a chance here.
Benjamin Seshko tu. No.
In awareness. And there it is,
Oof.
the full-time whistle. A
Yes,
victory
well
for
done lads, well done.
Yes, Derek, there wasn't much in it, to be honest. Really competitive game with chances of...
Oh,
They probably just
good finish today.
and deserved the result.
Өнөөдөр бол хоёр дүндэлж чадлаа, ямар ч байсан. Тун хүнд 3 доод дийлээ гэж бодож байна. Эхний хоёр доод бол
out on the pitch.
бүр хэцүү байлаа. Тэц Манчестер Сититэй тоглолоо. Арсеналтай тоглолоо.
Fire today.
Where's your fucking GSC? За ингээ GSC United channel-тэй хамт байгаа та бүхэнд маш их баярлалаа. Ингээд энэ үйлрэл шинээр эхэлж байгаа. Энээс өшөө дахиад сонирхолтой тоглолтуудыг бүгдээрээ хийх болно. Шинэ гоё менежментүүдийг хийх болно. Гэхдээ United-тайгаа хамт эцсээ хүртэл байна. За дараачийн бичлэгээрээ бүгдээрээ яах вэ гэхээр за нэгдүгээр 1 сар дуусж байгаа. Ингээд трансфер бол дуусж байна. Тэгэхээр энэ жил бол ерөөс ямар трансфер хийсвэ. За дараагийн карьер модер энийг оруулж эхлэх гэж байна бүгдээрээ. За шо Tottenham Hotspur-тэй тоглоно Premier League-т. Гэртээ West Ham United away. We're going to London. Blowing Bubbles стадионд чинь за FA Cup. FA Cup Liverpool-тэй тоглох юм байна. Liverpool бол бидний гол өрсөлдөгч. Тэрнээс гадна FA Cup бидний гол зорилго байгаа. Тийм болохоор энэ бол аягүй чухал тоглолт болох юм байна. За Everton, Crystal Palace, Newcastle. За ер нь ингээл том хавар болох юм байна. За ингээд хамт байсан баярлаа. Удахгүй цаг уулзцгаая.